have probably eaten fast food at some point in your life. In fact, some of you may have stopped by a fast food place on your way here this morning. It's a quick, easy, and cheap solution for morning hunger, especially if you're on a time and money crunch. America is known as the fast food nation. Last year, Americans spent $115 billion on fast food. That's more than what was spent on higher education. Fast food restaurants advertise large meals for small prices. This makes portion control very difficult. As you can see in this advertisement, they advertise twice as nice. That's 2 meals for the price of 1. And in this Pizza Hut advertisement, they say, who doesn't love a little something extra? They want to make sure that the customer feels like they're getting more bang for their buck. They target children with toys and colorful advertisements, and they proved in a study that children recognize Ronald McDonald as the most popular figure second to Santa Claus. Many people eat fast food without taking into consideration what effects it has on their health. Okay, according to healthassist.net, these are some of the side effects of eating fast food. Foods high in salt and sugar cause water retention because of the concentration of salt and sugar in their cells. Fast food increases the risk of developing peptic ulcers. They increase stomach acid and irritate the stomach lining. Meat, salt, sugar, and fatty foods are direct causes of high blood pressure. Burgers, cola, and fries all have high concentrations of salt, sugar, and fat. Gout is a form of rheumatoid arthritis, which happens in your toes and legs and fingers. It is a buildup of crystals due to the amounts of fat in meat, fried food, processed foods, and high-fat dairy. Fast food may also cause acne, which induces inflammation. It can also cause yeast infections because the hydrogenated oils, sugars, starches, such as the ones found in French fries, refined carbohydrates that are in fast food. According to postgazette.com, a study showed that prolonged diets of fast food increase risk of memory and cognitive impairment, and it can also cause Alzheimer's in older people. A study that they did in older people showed that fast food and being overweight can cause a 4% loss of brain mass in the frontal lobe, and obese people an 8% loss of brain mass in the frontal lobe. 60% of adult population in the U.S. is obese, and 13% of children are obese. This is twice as much as what was in the 1980s. Obesity can also increase the risk for heart disease, which is the weakening of the muscle wall of the heart. Unhealthy eating is the second largest killer in the U.S. after smoking. Eating fast food can also have a negative side effect on your body odor. This is caused by a high concentration of red meat and processed foods in the fast food diet. It can also cause constipation because of the lack of dietary fiber. All of these side effects may also be attributed to the fact that fast food is packed with hormones, artificial coloring, flavoring, and pesticides. In a study, it showed that 80% of adults and 90% of children have pesticides in their urine. This food is low in fiber and nutritional value. The processing that fast food undergoes destroys the nutrients in the food. And even chicken nuggets, the healthier choice, are flavored with beef extract and have twice as much fat as a burger ounce for ounce. According to organicconsumers.org, fast food is shown to be addicting. Leptin is a hormone that is secreted by fat cells into the bloodstream. The levels of leptin signals the hypothalamus, which is the part of your brain that controls eating behavior and hunger, and it informs it of the fat content and fat reserves in your body. Weight gain can make you insensitive to leptin. Eventually, elevated levels of leptin are perceived as normal, and dips in leptin, such as when you're dieting, signal the hypothalamus and tell the body that it is starving and triggers severe hunger. Fortunately, this effect is reversible with a change of diet. When you eat fast food, brain releases dopamine and norepinephrine, which trigger the feel-good and reward centers of the brain. These chemicals are the same chemicals that are released when drug addicts take drugs such as cocaine and heroin. So in conclusion, fast food has detrimental effects on your health and should not be eaten at all, and people should make steps to eating healthier.
And what's the suggestion like for slow food? Like if you go out and you're on the run, what would you grab from your refrigerator to quickly have some food anyways?
I usually grab like an apple or a piece of fruit, maybe some nuts. Anything else? Yes.
How about the vegetarians? Like if the people who they don't eat meat. If this is the way, like this is the healthy way to
I don't understand.
For the vegetarians, people who doesn't eat meat. If this is the way to keep the body in shape, like this is the healthy way, or
to
or
be a
like
vegetarian?
Yes.
Well, vegetarians, like, it doesn't matter if you're vegetarian or you eat both meat and vegetables, but everything in moderation is good. And vegetarians, they eat a lot more vegetables, they still need protein in their diet. Yes.
What do you consider to be the best way to get your essential proteins from?
Fish, chicken, nuts. I eat eggs, but not the yolk. Like, egg white has 4 grams of protein, which the yolk also has 4 grams of protein, but the yolk is also where all of the cholesterol and salt is. So if you eat 2 egg whites, it's the same as eating 1 egg, getting 8 grams of protein. Anyone else?
I have to go, sorry. Oops.
All right, Paul.
See you
See.
next week. Yeah.
I'll email your thing to you.
Thank you.
Hey,
No problem.
sorry, but a couple more minutes and.